Okay, this is our last string where we choose our price to deal with these fractions, and I would say this is probably my least favorite technique because it requires us to really think about the fractions in so many different perspectives. So a fourth minus a ninth, we could say, well, let's think of it out of 36 cents because fourths and ninths go into 30. 9 times 4 is 36. And that being the case, well, then 36 can be divided by 4 and 9. So it can be divided nicely into fourths and ninths. And we start with that one step right there. So a fourth of 36 is 9 cents. 9 cents plus a ninth of 36, which is 4 cents. And that's a fun connection, right? Ninth of 36 is 4 cents. And a fourth of 36 is 9 cents. So now we have 13 cents. So now we're converting to cents, and then we're going back out of 36. So it's 13 out of 36. So it's confusing to make all those steps, but we're still using our intuition, right? And then here it gets a little bit tougher, I think. Again, we have fourths and ninths, so we can think of this in terms of 36 cents. But notice we have 1 and a fourth here. What does that mean? It's like having 36 cents, the full one, a full amount, plus a fourth, which is just 9 cents. So that's like having 45 cents. Oh, so it's over the 36 amount. That's, I think, confusing, but we'll hang in there. And then we're taking away 4 ninths. Oops, 4 ninths. Well, 1 ninth is 4 cents, so that's 16 cents. So this is 45 cents minus 16. You notice it's getting a little bit confusing. What's that? Well, I get 29 cents, right? Because 29 plus 10 is 39, plus another 6 is 45 cents, which means 45 cents minus 16 is 29. A little fact family trick there. And then our answer is going to be 29 out of 36. Notice that we're making lots of jumps back and forth there. You might feel that this answer doesn't make much sense, but another way of thinking about this is we have 5 fourths minus 4 ninths. And all I did there was take this number and turn it into a proper fraction, right? 4 times 1 plus 1. Right, so times and plus gives us 5 fourths. The reason that is because we have 5 out of 5, that's, 4 out of 4, which is 1, plus a fourth. That's what this really means. 1, which is 4 over 4, plus a fourth, that gives us 5 fourths, minus 4 ninths. And using our information from before, 1 fourth is 9 cents, so 5 fourths is like having 45 cents. And then we take away 16 cents. And that's kind of what I said here. I just said it in a different way, that we had one whole amount and a fourth. Well, our whole is this 36 cents. So that's what we're starting with, and we have one whole, 36, plus 1/4 of 36 cents, which is 9 cents. And that helps us deal with the problem. Last, we have 2 1/2 minus 1 5/7. Halves and sevenths meet nicely at 14. Right? So 14 cents. What is 2 1/2 then? Well, that's like having 28 cents. This is the whole, so we have 2 of them. Plus 7 cents. That's 35 cents. That tells me that this is like 35 cents. Oops. Minus 1 5/7. Well, 1 again, think of it as 14 cents. 5 cents. Well, what's a seventh of 14? It's 2 cents, or 5/7 is like 10 cents. So that's 14 and 10 or 24 cents. And we're getting confusing here, but we can hang in there. 35 cents minus 24 gives us 11 cents. So our answer, running out of room, is 11/14. And notice, again, this model brings us all over the place, but we're chugging through it intuitively in ways that we think, that I think are helpful. So in the next couple of videos, we'll look at this model, compare it to some others, so you can figure out if this is the model that helps you or one that just really makes things confusing. But I hope it helps a little bit.